In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make columns sticky while scrolling in Elementor. This nifty trick can enhance the user experience on your site by keeping important content visible as users scroll down the page. Let's dive in and get started with this process. First off, you need to open your Elementor editor. Begin by navigating to the page where you want to make the columns sticky. Once you're in the editor, locate the section that you want to work on. Within this section, you'll see several columns. Choose the column that you want to make sticky by clicking on it. This will open the settings panel on the left side of your screen. Next, you'll need to ensure that you have the Advanced tab selected in the settings panel. From here, look for the Motion Effects option. Click on it to expand its options. As you scroll down, you'll discover a Sticky option within the Motion Effects menu. Select this Sticky option, and you'll be given a choice of where to apply the sticky feature. For example, you can make the column sticky on desktop, tablet, or mobile. Choose the device where you want this feature to be active by simply clicking on the appropriate button. Once you've applied the sticky setting to the required device, you might notice that your column moves awkwardly as you scroll. To fix this, you'll need to adjust the additional settings under the sticky section. Look for the offset value. This value will help you control how much space you want between the sticky column and the top of the screen when scrolling. Play around with this number a little until you find a distance that looks good and works well with your layout. Another important setting is the Sticky On option, where you can select whether you want the column to remain sticky across all pages or just within a specific section. Usually, you'll find that keeping it within a section helps to maintain a clean and organized look. Adjust the effects offset if necessary, which defines when your sticky column will disengage from its static position and begin following the page scroll. If it still doesn't feel right visually, consider tweaking other settings like the Z-index, which controls the stack order of elements, ensuring your sticky element doesn't overlap crucial content in an unintended way. Finally, make sure to save your changes by clicking the Update button at the bottom of the panel. Preview your changes to make sure everything is working as you expect. Testing it across multiple devices will ensure that it operates smoothly whether your visitors are on a desktop, tablet, or mobile device. Remember, the goal here is to use this functionality wisely to keep essential elements sticky and enhance user navigation without overwhelming the visitor. And that wraps up our tutorial on making columns sticky using Elementor. Thank you for watching, and happy creating!